Hey lovelies, welcome back to today's video. If you're just joining me for the first time, this is Vicky channel lifestyle and beauty vlog. Okay, today ladies, today everyone, today guys, I'm going to be talking about XBC Vitamin E Cream. I'm going to tell you what to expect from this cream because I do not want you to waste money wasting and buying products that doesn't work. All right, if you haven't found the right cream yet for your skin, watch this video to the end. Let's go straight into the video without wasting much of your time. First of all, what you should expect from this cream is that it does not bleach, it doesn't tone, and does not whiten the skin. Because I don't want you to come in and say, hey, the cream doesn't work. I want to tell you, this cream is not for those aspiring to bleach, to tone, to glow. It doesn't do all that. What this cream does is that it moisturizes your skin, and then if you're dark in complexion, it just retains your color and maintains your skin, and that's what it does. It maintains your true complexion. It doesn't alter it, doesn't have much chemicals, it doesn't give stretch mark, it doesn't give hyperpigmentation, doesn't give knuckles. And the side part, the thing I don't like about the cream is that it doesn't contain oil. So what I did to this one I'm using right now, because I've used it for 4 months and I'm going to renew it because I love how it feels like on the skin. So what I did is that I got this vitamin E supplement, vitamin E tablet from by Nature's Care. This is it, vitamin E tablets led by nature by Nature's Care, and I added about 15 to 20 capsules, no 50 capsules, yeah, into the cream, and then that was all. And since then I've just loved how my skin feels like. It's just so calm and it's nice. It doesn't give me knuckles. The only part again that about this cream that that is surprising is that it doesn't have an expiring date. It doesn't have an expiring date. Although I feel because it has no much chemicals, that's why it doesn't have an expiring date. This cream is produced in the UK. It's produced in the UK, and it doesn't have hydroquinone. It doesn't have hydroquinone, and it's just for dark skin and those who doesn't want to tone their complexion. Fair people can as well use it if you're naturally fair, because if you've bleached in the past, I'm sure it's going to return you back to your complexion. Or though me, it maintained my skin. It didn't make me too black and it didn't make me fair either. So I really loved how I feel. I love how it feels like, and that is it. The next thing, if you have money, you can buy rose water and pour inside it. Rose water is very good for hyperpigmentation. It's very good for moisturizing and unifying and beautifying the skin. Rose water, because I added a quantity of rose water as well into the cream. But that's okay if you don't have to do all that. You can use this cream alone too, and you will love it. The cream is cheap as well. You can even try it out. It's actually cheap. So I bought it 1,200 naira in Nigeria currency. That's about $2.5. All right, girls. So that's all about XBC Vitamin E Cream. So tap the subscribe button right below by the right hand side and turn on the notification bell. Make sure you do that, and don't forget to like and leave a comment. I'll see you soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.